Ever had an earth leakage in your house and wondered how to handle it? Well, it's not as intimidating as it seems. In fact, with a little patience and some safety precautions, you can troubleshoot it yourself. Imagine this. You're sitting at home and suddenly your power goes out. You check the main circuit breaker and realize that it's not a power outage. It's an earth leakage. An earth leakage can occur when there's a fault in the electrical insulation of an appliance, causing electricity to escape to the ground. So, how do you deal with it? Here's a step-by-step guide. First, locate all the circuit breakers in your house that are labeled plugs. Carefully push down each one of these breakers. This is an essential step as it isolates the possible sources of the leakage. Next, reset the earth leakage breaker. How do you do this? Simply push it down completely and then push it up. This resets the breaker and prepares it for the next steps. The third step involves pushing up the circuit breakers one at a time. As you do this, keep an eye on the earth leakage breaker. If it trips, you found the culprit. This is the breaker causing the leakage. Once you've identified the offending breaker, leave it in its tripped state, then reset the earth leakage breaker again. Next, check which appliances are off. These are the appliances that are supplied by the tripping breaker. Unplug these appliances and switch on the tripping breaker. Now plug the appliances back in one at a time and observe. The appliance that causes the earth leakage to trip is the one causing the problem. And just like that, you've identified the culprit. In summary, to troubleshoot an earth leakage, you first isolate the possible sources by pushing down all the circuit breakers labeled plugs. Then reset the earth leakage breaker. Push up the circuit breakers one at a time until the earth leakage breaker trips. Identify the tripping breaker, reset the earth leakage breaker, and check which appliances are off. Unplug these appliances, switch on the tripping breaker, and plug the appliances back in one at a time. The appliance that trips the earth leakage is the one causing the issue. Remember, safety should always be your priority when dealing with electrical issues. Always handle electrical appliances and circuit breakers with care. And if you're ever unsure or uncomfortable, don't hesitate to call a professional. After all, it's better to be safe than sorry. So there you have it, your step-by-step guide to troubleshooting an earth leakage. The next time you encounter one, you'll know exactly what to do. Good luck!